to the League of Angels. I'm Reverend Ron Pownell, announcing the formation of this new Christian ministry made of martial artists and other volunteers who recognize the opportunity to expand our love and biblical-based, peaceful yet powerful presence in our communities. I want to personally invite you to learn more and perhaps consider taking a role, because there are many people who need our help. Briefly, the League of Angels was inspired by the Guardian Angels, as I was one of the original founding members in Los Angeles. July 1981 edition of Black Belt Magazine. Guardian Angels migrate west. Los Angeles. The New York-based Guardian Angels are now guarding the city of Los Angeles, riding San Fernando Valley buses that have been recently plagued by incidents of rape, robbery, and assault. Richard Dominique, the 24-year-old organizer, hopes to have 700 young men on patrol in Los Angeles County by the end of the year, and hopes to extend their sphere into the tough South and East Side neighborhoods within a few months. Sensitive to the group's often publicized images as a vigilante gang, Dominique has taken great pains to gain public support while creating somewhat of a media event out of the Los Angeles debut in LA, summoning hordes of reporters from local newspapers, radio and television stations. Dominique introduced karate instructor competitor Ron Pownell as the training coordinator of the Los Angeles branch of the Guardian Angels. Today, a new generation threatens our society and biblical values the country was built upon. But values are not the only thing at risk. Unfortunately, at times, God-fearing citizens and families find themselves in harm's way. I'd like to equip and empower a League of Angels led by martial artists in all major cities across the country who operate from a biblical-based mindset and are trained to provide a loving, peaceful presence that ultimately persuades others to know more about God's love. Our ministry provides self-defense training for humanitarian assistance that reflects our desire to lift up our churches in times of persecution. We offer peaceful protection for Christians whose First Amendment rights of freedom of religion are violated. We also offer persuasion in situations that will require wisdom for peaceful resolution. Now I'm excited to introduce best-selling author and revered therapist Jack Felton, a co-founder of the League of Angels. He helps us keep an eye where trouble is coming from, so we can be prepared in the future. I've asked him to present his thoughts about how America has progressed into this topsy-turvy nation reflected in Isaiah 5:20.
One of the interesting things that we are dealing with is we really do live in a day now where good has become evil and evil has become good, straight out of Isaiah. You know, when I wrote Toxic Faith, that was back in the 80s, and the Guardian Angels started in the 80s. That time was an interesting time where the church was being passively attacked and we, the righteous, were standing up for the weak. Now we live in a day where we're under militant attack, and quite frankly, the church is passively surrendering. That cannot be. We need a League of Angels to stand up for those who believe in Jesus Christ and the God of the Bible. Amen.